Welcome back to Solution Key Institute. Today, last class we learned the largest numbers and the smallest numbers. Today, we learned some numbers. That numbers, so some numbers having the long numbers and some numbers having the large numbers. So, how to read that numbers and how to expand that numbers today we are learning here. So first we learn in this class how to read the numbers. How to read the numbers. First of all, you read the numbers, we learn the place values. What are the place values? Means there is two systems are there, Indian system and international system. In Indian system, already have some knowledge up to thousands, I think 10,000. So see here, it is the Indian system. In this Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. So many numbers are there, but up to learn the 60 class, 100 crores are enough. After in India international system, there is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, thousands, 100,000s. Here also 10,000 up to 10,000, both are same. But in lakh, 1 lakh is equal to 10,000, 100,000 here. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 here. After million, here 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Observe here carefully. It is the Indian system and it is the international system. In this 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. It is completely three columns is equal to 1000 columns. It is completely thousands. Again 3 in this international system, easily you have to identify the digits by using 3 digits on left hand side, right hand side onwards. Right hand side onwards, 3 digits for your international system. Is the 1000, 1, 2, 3 digits, and here also 1, 2, 3 digits is known as a millions place, and finally we get the billions. See here, compare this both. In Indian system, just ones, tens, thousand. After hundreds, every 2 digits having the same one. 1,000, 10,000. Only 10 enough. Not 100 is there. 1,000, 10,000. And lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crores. This 100. Only here up to 10. Here also 10 lakhs. But in international system, ones, tens, 100 same, up to there same. After 1,000, 10,000 also same. But in lakhs place they are mentioned the 100,000s, up to thousands place. This is completely 3 digits are thousands columns. And millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions. Understood? Now I am taking some examples of numbers. See here, how to read the following. First one I am taking 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2. First I am taking the Indian system. In Indian system, it is very easy to read the digits. How to means in right hand side onwards. In right hand side onwards, you take the 3 digits 1, 2, 3. In international system and Indian system, both are first to leave the 3 digits. But in Indian system, after 3 digits, you take only 2 digits only. But in international system, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2. I am taking the international system. In international system also, take the right hand side onwards, first to 3. Every three digits have one comma. Every 3 digits comma. Here first 3, okay. After 3 digits, you take two digits in Indian system. International system 3 digits, and Indian system you take after 3 digits two digits only. Now write this one in right hand side onwards here. First you are reading this number as in Indian system. First to write up to here. Start from here. 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 7, 3, 2. See here. How to write this one? 10 crores means 10. These two digits are same. 23 crores. 75 lakhs, up to lakhs, 75 lakhs. This is also 1000. 67,432. Once again, you take the number in right hand side onwards in our table. I am writing this one. It is Indian system. That's why I am taking two digits. Once is a one single name. That is a crores, lakhs, it is thousands, it is hundreds, it is tens and ones. Now read this one. You are writing as in right hand side onwards, but read as a left hand side. It is completely crores. It is a completely crores column. It is completely lakhs column. It is completely thousands column. Okay, it is completely hundreds column. It is already you know the two digits. Now read this one. It is crores. 23 crores. 75 lakhs. 67,432. You are reading very easily. Right now, one second. I am reading as this one is a in international system. How? Again, write in right hand side onwards. What are 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 7, 3, 2. But it is an Indian system, you are taking two digits. In international system, you are taking only three digits. Every part is a three digits. It is 3. Now again it is 3. Again it is also 3. Now read, this is a completely millions column. It is completely thousands column. That is normally you are reading as a hundreds. See here, 237 millions 567,432. Read all as hundreds. 237 millions 567,432. Just to read like this one. Understood? Now take more numbers by your own and practice yourself as a reading. You do directly you are not reading as these numbers. Take this box with pencil. Take this box black color as a red pen or pen. But these numbers are you practice on with pencil. Why means you drop and take one more number and try it. Read more. Understood? Okay, let us do. Once again, this is complete means we are going to explanation form. Here I am taking more numbers. What are means in exercise only I am taking that are in exercise 1.3 our textbook. In that in first bit they are given 4 problems and second bit that is a word forms. In first bit, let us see the first bit in our exercise. Write the numbers using commas. Just keep putting the commas. Just keep the commas. First see it is in Indian system only. Indian system means already I say how. First 3 digits 1, 2, 3. After 2 digits. In Indian system first 3 after 2, 2, 2, 2. See 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2. First 3 after 2. Finally you will get 1 means just leave that 1. Here also first 3, 2 and 2. Here also first 3, 2, 2, leave it. This much. Okay? Don't think more. Why? Because it is very easy number systems. Indian system, you are using the Indian system only. You are using the always Indian system only. So you take the first right hand side onwards. First leave the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After all numbers are 2 digits. 1, 2, 1, 2. Finally, 2 digits are 1 digit. Just leave it. That's it. Here also 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Just leave it. Understood? And second bit is in word form. That is, first you have number this in Indian system. First you want to take right hand side onwards. First 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Keep comma. 34. Just replace in table. You get 34,000 place. 0 as in 100 place. There is no value for 0. Just write just 25. 25. Remaining in the second bit, more 3 problems are there. You will try. You are not getting means keep in comment box. I will explain again for this class. Okay, let us start the explanation form. See here, in 1.3, first, second, third bits are completed. Now we are start the fourth bit of the exercise. In that fourth bit, they are asking the explanation form. How to expand the given number means simply here. First here right hand side onwards. Start right hand side onwards. First 6 here. Keep plus 5 plus after 1 plus after 0 plus after 4 plus after 6. See here 6. Any digits are there? No. So leave it. Next 5 after 1 digit is there. So keep only 1 0. 1 after 2 digits are there. So keep 2 zeros. 0 after how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise leave that. After 4 after 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the solution for the first one. Understood? Now I am going to this second one. How means start from right hand side onwards. 0 is there. I am writing just 0 as a 0. Next one more 0 is there. Just take that is also 0. Next 5 is there. Next plus 0 is there. Next 2 is there. Next plus 3 is there. After 6 is also there. See here, first 0 is 0. 0 after 1 more digit is there. Keep 1 more 0. Next 500. 5 after 2 zeros. Just leave these 3 digits. 0 after how many digits? All are zeros. What you are taking a digit, after that the right side all numbers are keep zeros. Just I am taking 2. These all are zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Understood? It is the explanation form. Now you are start the. It is the explanation form. Just you are writing this total number as a single number. Total number as a single number. How? Means see here. It is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. Here also 6 digits are there or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 4. Next 5 means 2. Leave the all zeros. Here leave the all zeros. Here leave the all zeros. Leave the all zeros. Leave the all zeros. All zeros. Just 5 in this 4. In this 2. In this 8. In this 5. In this 2. In this final 4. 4 not having any zeros. So that is the answer. After that answer, keep the points. How to keep the points? First, right hand side onwards, take the 3 digits. After 2 digits means it is 54,000, 54 lakhs, 28,524. Next, try one more. It is 6, 4, 3, 2, 5. See here. 5 2 zeros are there, only single number. One more zero is not there. So keep 0. That is what. Understood? Yes. Again keep the zeros 3 digits after 2 digits. 64 lakhs 32,501. That is. This is the explanation form. This is the short form. So I think all are understood. If you are understood means after this video, you please subscribe and like and subscribe my video. And after this class, I am giving the one worksheet also. You will try. You are not getting any answers means write in my comment box. Thank you.